Whose car is this? Yeah, what kind of car is it? Explain this car to me. I don't know.
It's a Scion FRS.
What?
It's a Scion FRS.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We got anime on it. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I love anime.
Appreciate it.
All right.
There's a couple of us.
How long did it take to paint this?
It took my friend about a week to wrap it.
Oh, really? Oh, it's a rapper. Okay, it's a rapper.
Yeah.
Okay, say hello, darling. Hello. Or did you know you're missing a wheel?
Yes, sir. Say what?
Did you know you're missing a wheel?
Oh, snap. Where'd it go?
Okay, well, we'll find it at highlifing.com.
Awesome, man.
What are you doing here?
How's it going?
What do you think you're doing here?
Chemical guys.
What is that?
Chemical guys. Chemical guys is a detail. We're a detail company.
Show me the bottle. Show me the bottle. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. All right. Okay. What does that do?
This is our odor eliminator.
Oh.
To help you reduce a lot of your stinky smells in your car from your kids or
And me.
or you.
Yeah. And what else is it? What else we got here?
So we got a couple different things. We got our clutch microfiber towels. We have some some red rockets to get in there in those wheels. Your bigger ones for your your bigger wheels, or your smaller ones for your finer spoked wheels. We got our chemical guys buckets, and we have our foam cannons as well with our full lineup or some of our lineup of scents and spray.
We get it all at.
All right, so
Houston.
this one?
We're off for Britmore, just down the street.
Amazing. I love this.
All right.
Come on by, tell them Jesse sent you, and we'll hook you up with a little surprise.
Okay.